I show you how this automation can be created, let me show you how this automation is going to work. So I'm just going to purchase this dress as new user, and instantly the details for the same will be added right over here in my Google Sheets. I'll just show you how. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this dress. For that, I'm just going to enter the mobile number and click on this continue button, select the payment option and purchase this black dress as new user. So I'm just going to successfully complete this payment right over here, and you're going to say yes, I have successfully purchased this dress as new user. Over here it is saying payment successful. So let me just open my Google Sheets, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details are added right over here. Be it the order ID, be it the name, the email, the phone number, the payment method, or the product details are instantly added in my Google Sheets. This is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Like I added only these much details. If you want, you can definitely add as many as details if you want. So let's see how to do this. So to create this automation, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can create and try this automation for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you and attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Razorpay. So let's just search for Razorpay and select the same right over here. For the event, we have to select it as payment captured and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Razorpay dashboard. Now from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this account and settings, then you have to look for webhooks over here and go on this webhooks. Now click on this add new webhook button and simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow over here. Now if you want, you can enter the alert and the secret email. This is not required, so I'm just going to leave it as blank. For the active event, select it as payment captured and click on this create webhook button. Now you're going to see it is saying saving and our webhook URL is updated successfully, or you can say we have successfully added the webhook URL right over here. So now let's just move on further. What I'm just going to do is go back towards my workflow. It is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, I'm just going to purchase a product. So I'm just going to purchase this dress as test user. So let me enter all of my details to purchase this dress. I'm going to click on this pay 1500 over here. Let's just move on further. Over here, you're going to see it is asking me for the contact details. So I'm just going to enter the same. It is asking me for the payment option. So I'm just going to select it as net banking, choose the bank over here. So I'm just going to do the test payment. So it is going to open this. So I'm just going to simply click on the success button. I want this payment to get successful so that I can test this workflow successfully. So like I've generated the test payment, you can also generate the test payment like this. It is saying payment successful. Because my account is in test mode, that's the reason that I have generated this test payment. If you want, you can wait until you receive a real order in real time to and capture the webhook response for the same. I'll suggest you do the test payment and capture the response. It is going to save you a lot of time, and you can create this automation and then it is going to run perfectly fine for real orders too. Now we have successfully received all the details. Now let's just add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now we have to select the Gmail account which we want to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions, so click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions, and your Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to select the spreadsheet right over here using which you're adding the details. So I'm just going to use this Razorpay payments and the sheet as sheet 1. So I'm just going to select the Razorpay payments as the spreadsheet and the sheet as sheet 1 and then enter all of these details. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map all the details right over here. If you also want to map these details, just put a slash, search for the details, map it, and then click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have successfully received this response that we have successfully updated this range. So let's just open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details are added right over here successfully. Not only this, but now, like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever I'm just going to receive a new order from Razorpay, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. And you know what I have to do? Just sit back and relax. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.